Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, January 18th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. The first one is a big place where you can buy food and other things. And number 2 is part of the be verb. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The supermarket is good. The supermarket is good. Supermarket. It is a big place where you can buy food and other things. Now let's make a flashcard for supermarket. Please write supermarket up here in the top left corner. SUPERMARKET. Down in this corner, CTY1. This means city, level 1. In this corner, the number 45 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Sue, per, mar, kit, supermarket. Is there a supermarket near your house? What does it look like? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please write this in your notebook. We have 3 sentences here. Number 1, Bob is a man. He is happy. He is in China now. Bob is a man. He is happy. He is in China now. Is. He is a man. He is happy. He is in China now. We use is for 1 man, 1 woman, or 1 dog, or 1 computer. Now let's make a flashcard for is. Please write is up here in the top left corner. Please write all 5 forms. Am, is, are, was, were. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category, GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. Over here, the number 58 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. This is an easy one. Is. Game over. That was lots of fun. Today we learned supermarket, a very big place where you can buy food. Number 2, Jennifer is a teacher. She is happy. She is in Russia now. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is the place we live, including the atmosphere and all of the planets. The missing letter is before W in the alphabet. Number 2 means to be kind, to be nice. And number 3 is what you do with your gift before you give it to somebody. You make it look good. The missing letter is before S in the alphabet. I gotta go. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.